If you need to replace a tire, your vehicle may be equipped with a jack handle, and inflatable spare tire behind the rear left side trim panel in the rear cargo area. Make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface. Avoid traffic, ice, or slippery areas. Make sure the ignition is off, the hazard lights are on, and the parking brake is fully set. Block the front and rear of the wheel diagonally opposite the jacking position. For example, if the left rear tire is damaged, block the right front tire. Remove the access panel. Remove the wrench. Unlatch the tire inflator kit. Unfasten the wing nut. Remove the foam tray. And gently remove the inflatable spare tire from the storage area. Remove the jack from the storage area behind the tire. Go ahead now and loosen, but do not remove the wheel lug nuts one turn counterclockwise with the wheel still on the ground. You'll want to place the jack under the lift area closest to the flat tire. Don't raise the jack until you're sure it's fully engaged. Raise the jack until the tire just clears the surface and you've got enough clearance to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Remove the lug nuts and pull the wheel off the hub. Mount the spare tire with the valve stem facing out. Damage could occur if the spare tire is mounted incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts and lightly tighten them clockwise. Turn them until they are set flush against the surface of the rim. Use the tire inflator kit to fill the tire to the prescribed pressure of 60 psi or 4.1 bar. Turn the jack screw counterclockwise to lower the vehicle. Once on the ground, tighten the lug nuts. Alternate lug nuts until each has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the lug nuts. Have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. A quick note though, do not stow the deflated tire in the spare tire location. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.